Okay, so I've finally found the best combination of active ingredients that's just gonna make your skin look like never before. Presenting hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and niacinamide. These are all face serums by the Dermaco. And I have been using a combination of all of these three serums in my nighttime skincare regime since the past few days, and the difference that I see on my skin is mind-blowing. I'm completely blown away by how these serums, the combination worked on my skin. So firstly, I'm just going to give you a close-up of my skin to show you the results that these serums gave my skin. Right now my skin is completely bare. I make it a point that in most of my skincare videos I do not apply any makeup and keep my skin completely bare, so that you guys can see that the products that I'm recommending, how they actually work on my skin and the results that they show. So this is how my current skin looks like, and as you can see, it's completely clear. I have absolutely no marks left on my skin. This is because of niacinamide. Secondly, you can see the visible glow that's there on my skin. This is because of vitamin C. Now, niacinamide and vitamin C are two ingredients that I've been using in my skincare regime since forever now. But the game changer in the skincare routine is hyaluronic acid. If you look at my skin right now, it looks very plump and it looks very healthy and everything. My skin has never looked like this before, even though it has been clear and glowing since the past few months now because of vitamin C and niacinamide, but it's never looked like so healthy and so plump as it's looking right now. And this is because of the additional serum that I've started using, that is hyaluronic acid serum. The combination of these three face serums have changed my skincare game completely, and I highly recommend you use all of these three serums in one skincare regime itself to achieve results like how I achieved. So I'm going to be explaining what these serums individually do for your skin and how together they work in benefiting your skin even more, and how you're supposed to apply and layer all of these serums one by one in your skincare regime. So firstly, on clean skin, after you have washed your face with a face wash or a cleanser, you want to use this hyaluronic acid face serum. So this is 2% hyaluronic acid face serum by the Dermaco, and you want to apply just 2 to 3 drops all over your face. After you've done spreading it all across your face, just pat it into your skin. Hyaluronic acid helps to retain moisture into your skin, which means that it prevents your skin from becoming dry or from becoming dehydrated, and instead it moisturizes your skin the perfect amount. It makes your skin look plump and healthy and dewy, and with the regular application of hyaluronic acid, it's going to make your skin look more firm as well. So just in general, it makes you look younger, it makes your skin look younger, and it's not actually an anti-aging product, but somehow it just makes your skin look much younger than it actually is. So after using hyaluronic acid, you want to ensure that all of the product has been absorbed by your skin completely. You want to wait for about 10 minutes after using the serum, and then you want to go in with vitamin C serum. So the one that I have is 20% vitamin C serum. This is again by the Dermaco. Vitamin C, as we all know, adds to the glow onto the skin, and it makes your skin radiant with every application. Moreover, this helps in building collagen production, which helps to repair your skin, and it also helps to reverse sun damage. So any kind of damages, any kind of skin problems, vitamin C is going to repair them faster than normal. Now on my skin, I didn't have a lot of sun damage going on, but my skin looked very dull before, and because of vitamin C, the glow that you see, the glow that you always see on my skin, it's all because of vitamin C. I've been using a lot of vitamin C based products in my skincare for almost 2 years now, and the glow that they give to my skin is unreal. Now this one is 20% vitamin C. When I had just started off with using vitamin C serums, I used to use 10%, and slowly and gradually I moved on to 15% and 20%. I sometimes also use vitamin C creams which contain 25% of vitamin C. So slowly and gradually you want to increase the amount of vitamin C, but do not just directly start jumping onto a higher percentage of vitamin C. Start with a lower concentration and then slowly and gradually move upwards. So after applying the vitamin C, your skin becomes a little sticky and a little tacky, and you want to wait for about 15 minutes for the vitamin C to settle into your skin and your skin to completely become dry. So right now my skin doesn't feel tacky anymore, it doesn't feel sticky anymore, and now is the time to go in with the third serum. So I'm going to be using this 10% niacinamide face serum by the Dermaco. I'm going to use about 4 to 5 drops of this serum all over my face. Niacinamide helps to correct your skin tone by evening out your skin tone and making your skin look more clear. It helps to fade away any kind of discoloration that you might have on your skin, be it acne marks, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, any kind of pigmented patches around your mouth, around your nose, or anywhere on your skin, or basically any sort of spot that you have on your skin. It's going to help to even that out and make your skin overall look more clear and more even toned. Niacinamide has helped me to clear out all of my acne marks completely. You guys know how acne prone my skin is and how much my skin used to break out back then, and if you have the problem of acne and pimples, you know that acne marks take a lot of time to fade away, but niacinamide helped me to fade them away really fast and all completely. So the credit to my clear skin goes to this serum alone. I've been using this for 1.5 years now, and hands down it's helped me to clear out my skin completely, to fade away all of my marks and to achieve this kind of a complexion. Now after using niacinamide serum, you again want to wait for about 10 minutes for the serum to completely seep into your skin, and then go in with a moisturizer. Any moisturizer of your choice, whatever is your favorite one. And that's it for the face. You can use your favorite lip balm and get done with your nighttime skincare regime. The combination of these 3 active ingredients, I highly recommend you use it only during the nighttime and not during the daytime, because it might be a little too much for the day, but at night you can layer a lot of products and let them work their magic overnight. So to sum up, hyaluronic acid is going to help to retain the moisture into your skin, and it's going to make your skin look more plump, firm and healthy. Vitamin C is going to add to the glow onto the skin, and it's going to repair any kind of damage that your skin has. And niacinamide is going to help to clear out your complexion, fade away any kind of discoloration or hyperpigmentation, and make your skin clearer. So the combination of these 3 active ingredients is going to make your skin look more healthy, youthful, clear and glowing. And you can achieve this kind of a complexion by using a combination of all of these 3 active ingredients exactly in the order that I mentioned. This is exactly how you're supposed to use and layer up these 3 products. You cannot interchange the order of use of any of these products, because that's not going to give you these kind of results. Instead, it might result in something else altogether. So you want to follow the same order, and you want to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes between applying and layering all of these serums. I highly recommend you check out Dermaco for these face serums. Dermaco is a very trusted brand. Their products are very safe and effective to use. I have been using their products and they have been working amazingly well for me for the past 1.5 years. Moreover, Dermaco discloses the exact percentage of active ingredients in their products. Like, this contains 10% of niacinamide, so I know exactly what I'm putting on my skin and how much of it I'm putting on my skin. And also Dermaco has launched India's first masterclass on active ingredients, where they're providing all of the knowledge, all of the science behind how active ingredients work for your skin. So in case if you get a chance to attend the masterclass, please do so. I've attended it and it's been very insightful, very knowledgeable and very informative for me. To buy these Dermaco serums, you can either log on to Amazon, Nykaa or Flipkart, or you can also place an order on Dermaco's website. So that was my holy grail combination of active ingredients that made my skin so much more clearer, glowing and youthful. I absolutely love how my skin looks like right now. It has never looked like this before. This is the best my skin has ever been, and all of the credit goes to the combination of those 3 face serums by the Dermaco. Now if you're a beginner, do not just jump into using all of these active ingredients all at once. Make sure that you get your skin used to these actives, and then you start following this entire skincare regime that I just talked about. Start using niacinamide face serum during the daytime and vitamin C during the nighttime, and hyaluronic acid once in every 3 to 4 days. And even niacinamide and vitamin C, I recommend you use every alternate days, so that your skin gets used to the ingredients first. You're just slowly introducing the ingredients into your skin, and then start increasing the frequency, and then you can start following the skincare regime maybe. Also, if you have super sensitive skin, before trying out any new product, please do a patch test, maybe here on your jawline or at the back of your neck, to check if the product suits you or not, because not every product suits every skin type. So yeah, with that I come to an end of today's video. In case if you end up trying out this combination of actives, do let me know how it works out for you, because I'm definitely sure you're going to be blown away with the results. Also, if you have any other combination of active ingredients that you have been trying out for a while that has been giving you good results, then let me know in the comments below. I would also like to try out a combination of such active ingredients. And yeah, if you have any video requests from me, please leave them in the comments down below. I would love to make more videos for you all. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.